Right. Anyway, so I'm Rosie, Secretary of the Editorial Board. This is Jennar, Lit Ed, and Danix Assistant Web. Okay. So, before we begin your interview, state your name, year and course, position you're running for, and under what slate.
Hi. So, I'm Therese Buergo, BA Pol Sci, third year, running for CSP representative to the USC under Saligan and stand-up.
Okay. So, for your first question, what do you believe should be among the top priorities of newly elected UP President Alfredo Pascual, and why?
I believe one of the top priorities he should have is the budget cut, addressing the cut on education and the possible tuition fee increase that would the budget cut would possibly lead to. Because we in Stand Up and Saligan believe that education is a right, firstly, and having a budget cut in the from the education would having a budget cut would mean that there would be
So, tuloy lang.
Yeah, so as I was saying, the budget cut would mean the possible tuition fee increase. And last time we had a tuition fee increase, we had a 60% no-show rate, which meant that a lot of students who could have studied in UP and who would have had the potential to be citizens for the country's progress would now have no chance of studying. Apart from that, the development of education, the state of education in the Philippines itself, would suffer, with the UP being the premier university in the country, having a very small budget, smaller than it should have actually, and smaller than it needs, would compromise the quality of education that we have. And as we all know, education is one of the most important things for the development of a country.
Okay, so your second question is, recently, Eastern Samar Representative Ben Evaldone led his allies in Congress in fresh efforts to amend the 1987 Constitution. Given that there is already a new administration in place led by President Aquino, do you think that charter change is warranted?
No. I think that what the administration should address at this point would be genuine issues that concern the people, that would really concern the people, because Chacha is just, the issue of Chacha is actually very political, and if we look around, there are a lot of other things that should be addressed apart from the structure of the government or government system, and having Chacha or amending the constitution would not necessarily make the Philippines more democratic, because, well, it would be some sort of empty change if other aspects of Philippine issues are not addressed, like poverty, education, social services.
So, for your last and most difficult question, kung ikaw ay magiging isang ulam, ano iyon at bakit?
Ako ay magiging ulam. Paella. Hindi kasi siya ulam. Pero andun na kasi lahat. Diba? May ulam ka na, may kanin, tapos may iba pang sahog, tapos malasa siya. Ayun.
Okay, so you have a chance to say whatever you want to say. Talk to your constituents.
So I'll say, tumindig, tumugon, ipagtagumpay ang hamon. CSSP, change society, serve the people.
Thank you.